Hello, children. Welcome to today's music class. In today's class, our topic is parts of Quiver. Our topic is parts of Quiver. Quiver is known as a running note. It is faster than a walking note, which is crochet. It has a black head with a stem and a flag or tail. The flag is always on the right side of the note head, irrespective of whether the stem is up or down. So, children, that is all for today. Hope you enjoy the class. See you in the next class. Please subscribe to this channel, like, and turn on the notification button for more videos like this.